सबैलाई फेरि पनि जय मसी. These are little hectic time for me because we are having year ending, and today is 29th of September. Our year ends on 30th September, so I'm still in office. But then today I was thinking कि म के share गरौँ भनेर अन्त एउटा thought आएको थियो. अस्ति recently मैले एउटा fellowship मा मैले share गर्ने मौका पाएको थिएँ, and the same thing that I will be sharing tonight. So today I want to share about something called the seeds of goodness. Right? And I would appreciate, I want to make it little participating. So बीच-बीचमा तपाईहरुले unmute गरेर you have to you have to give me answers, okay? And I will give you one easy question and one difficult question, okay? So today I have chosen a verse from Luke chapter 15 verse 11 to 32. That is the story of a prodigal son, as we all know. So let me just run through this. हामी प्रायले जानेकै story हो, but still since this has been recorded and will be shared for the sake of other audience, I would like to read this passage. Then Jesus said, there was a man who had two sons. The younger son had his father. The younger son said to his father, give me now the part of your property that I am supposed to receive someday. So the father divided his wealth between his two sons. A few days later, the younger son gathered up all he had and left. He traveled far away to another country, and there he wasted his money like a fool. After he spent everything he had, there was a terrible famine throughout the country. So he was hungry and needed money, so he went to get a job with one of the people who lived there. The man sent him to the fields to feed pigs. He was so hungry that he wanted to eat the food the pigs were eating, but no one gave him anything. The son realized that he had been very foolish. He thought, all my father's hired workers have plenty of food, but here I am, almost dead, because I have nothing to eat. So I will leave and go to my father, and I will say to him, Father, I have sinned against God. I have done wrong to you. I am no longer worthy to be called your son, but let me be like one of your hired workers. So he left and went to his father. While the son was still long away off, his father saw him coming and felt sorry for him. So he ran to him and hugged and kissed him. The son said, Father, I have sinned against God and have done wrong to you. I am no longer worthy to be called your son. But the father said to his servants, hurry, bring the best clothes and put them on him. Also put a ring on his finger and good sandals on his feet. And bring our best calf and kill it so that we can celebrate and plenty to eat. My son was dead, but now he is alive again. He was lost, but now he is found. So they began to have a party. Now his older son was in the field. As he came and drew near the house, he heard music and dancing. So he called one of the servants and asked what this meant. He said to them, your brother has come, and your father has killed the fattened calf because he has received him safe and sound. He was angry and would not go in. Therefore his father came out and entreated him. But he answered his father, look, these many years I have served you, nor have I ever transgressed against your commands. Yet never have you given me a goat, so that I may be merry with I may make merry with my friends. But when this son of yours came, who had devoured your living and harlots, you killed the fattened calf for him. He said to him, Son, you are always with me, and all that I have is yours. But it was fitting to be merry and be glad, for this brother of yours was dead and is alive again. He was lost and is found. So this is the passage that I read. Is just a refreshing of the story. Now I would request, may I be request करना चाहता हूँ, if you have a notebook or a pen, or you can just tell me, I can just note it down. This is the story of a father, the elder son, and the younger son. Okay. So now quickly, you all can unmute and tell me 10 good points of father. Okay. I'll just note it down, right? 10 good points of a father, good behavior or good points. So you all can mute. Let me see how fast we can go.
पिताको हृदय चाहिँ प्रार्थना गर्ने हृदय थियो.
Okay, prayerful heart.
अनि वेटिङ गर्दै थियो, छोरालाई पर्खिँदै थियो.
He was waiting.
Yes. And
Okay. अरूले पनि भन्नु सक्छ.
अनि एक्सेप्ट गर्ने कुरा स्वीकार्दै थियो.
Unconditional love he had.
Unconditional love he had towards his son. Okay. Acceptance, unconditional love.
Forgiving heart. Forgiving heart.
Forgiving heart, yes.
He was a just father
How can you say that?
because he divided the property equally.
Yes, okay, just father, justice. Okay. 6 points. 4 more to go. Oh, he is the hero of our story.
क्षमा गर्ने हृदय थियो बाउकोमा.
Yes, I already said forgiving heart he had. We are analyzing 10 good habits of 10 good points of the father.
He was willing to embrace anything, even a stinking son.
Even if his betraying son, he was willing to embrace.
Stinking son. उसको गनाउने छोरालाई.
Okay, stinking son. Yes. अरु 7 वटा भयो. I did this in a previous fellowship, I said, and they came up with 15 points, and I had to stop them.
He was willing to share his authority by giving the ring and the sandal and the robe to the son, in spite of the fact
Okay.
that he had blown everything away.
Okay. He was willing to give away. Yes.
Yes, share his authority.
Okay. Yes.
अधिकार दियो नि तपाईलाई.
Hazur. Those are very symbolic. Actually, the younger son had declared that the father is dead, because during those days the property could not be divided unless the father died. So he asked the share of his property until like his father was already alive. That means he is indirectly saying that you are dead. I want the share of my property. Good point. 2 more to go.
बाउले उसको पास्टलाई याद गरेन के.
हजुर.
बाबाले उसको पास्ट लाइफलाई याद गरेन. जस्तो
बाबाले उसको
पास्टलाई याद गरेन उले
past
विगत.
life. Okay. Did not recall past. Okay.
Even he has the, like you can say, to protect his son.
He had.
Protection. He wants to protect his son.
He wanted to protect his son. How?
Because as you says that we know that in those days there is like no rule without death, so the children can take their share. And when he was returning, the other Jew also tried to kill him because he did those kind of things. He don't want he to come in like the inside, and so that the other people also he can influence. So he ran first. The father, when he saw his son, he ran and he hugged him.
Yes, that's a good observation. Yes.
Yeah, he just hugged him. So he wants to protect his son from the public also.
Protected. Yes. Even though the son did not ask for the sonship. I want to be one of your nokar bhaner, right? Okay, that's a good speed. Almost like 2-3 minutes. Now a challenging question. Okay, I want everyone to participate. Now you give me 10 good points of the prodigal son.
Good points.
Yes.
He was willing to eat the pig's food.
Okay. Let us see some of the 10 good points of the prodigal son. Okay. I don't think so. हामीले यो कहिले गरेको थियो यो exercise. So this is going to be
kind of repentant hearts that I will go to my father.
Yes, repentant heart.
What he did, he was having like he is just willing to
yes,
ask.
Okay, repenting heart. Okay.
अनि उसको घमण्ड चाहिँ चुर भयो के. अब पहिला घमण्ड थियो त्यो चुर भयो. उ अब शून्यमा आयो.
Yes. Little difficult question.
आफ्नो लाजलाई पनि पछि राखेर फेरि फर्केर गएको.
Last लाई पसिराखे means like, you know, okay.
सुँगुरको मासु त होइन सुँगुरको चारो पनि खानु तयारी थियो
Okay. that was his situation. That was his compulsion. He was compelled to eat that. Any other points? I said 10. So
उसकोमा चाहिँ यो विचार चाहिँ थियो कि he was के भन्ने यसलाई चाहिँ मेरो बुवाले चाहिँ मलाई एक्सेप्ट गर्छ जो मैले गल्ती गरे तर पनि मेरो बुवाले चाहिँ मलाई एक्सेप्ट गर्छ भनेर पनि एउटा उसको बाबाको बारेमा राम्रो विचार गरेर पनि फर्केर आएको
but he was not sure. He said I will ask for forgiveness, but he was not sure if his father will forgive him.
जसरी हैन उहाँले भन्नुभयो
अलिकति उसकोमा अलिकति कन्फिडेन्ट थियो सायद है मेरो बाउले कतै अब मलाई राख्छ कि भन्ने है
That's why he came back.
Okay. Believed in father's love. यो चाहिँ घटना भइसकेर Okay, 5 more points to go.
He was willing to stoop low. यति सारो नीच काम गर्नुमा he was willing.
या अघि एकजनाले भन्नुभयो एकदमै उसले शरम पुरा उसले छोड त्यागेर
He had no choice.
उसले प्राइड उसले आफ्नो घमण्ड तोड्यो
He had no choice.
He was not willing to stay in the confined place or the situation where he was.
Can you elaborate?
Like the moment he went through different phases. So once he reached to the the place where he eat the pig's food, he was like, you know, he just don't want to limit himself to that. So he just was ready
how we can say that is a good point, good behavior.
Yeah.
No matter, that means the worst sin that he can do or worst thing that can ever happen, he has done everything. He has come to such a conclusion and he said there is nothing more beyond it can go. So he just want to see an entire shift into his situation.
Okay, let me consider that. 6 points.
He was a benevolent man because he was willing to के भन्नु उसको पैसा अरूहरूलाई खुवाउनुको लागि he was willing.
Yeah, this point came from the previous group. He was like, you know, deal fake type ko. He gave out. Ule आफ्नो राखेन अरूलाई enjoy गर्नुमा राखेको. This came from the previous group. Okay, 7. We are running short of time. Shall I close it here or you want me to wait?
But Dajule, when his elder brother objected, but he doesn't seem to have said anything.
हाँसे भयो त
उसको गयो कि हाम्रो गयो
उसको गएको नि
He humbled himself. He humbled himself because he went out with a pride, but his situation brought him to humble himself and come back to his father's house. And he wanted is right, but when he come back, he wanted to come as a servant. He wanted to come as a servant, not as a owner.
Okay.
Oh, where is he?
He was gone to the pigsty.
office was
बिचाराको इन्टरनेट राम्रो छैन
office ma थियो नि
Yeah, he's back. भाइ कता हरायो
मेरो नेटवर्क उयो भएछ सो तपाईले हामीलाई लास्ट का सुन्नु भयो
के भने हामी लास्ट
उसले भन्दै थियो
Kumar, can you repeat? Kumar, can you please repeat your
He humbled himself.
Okay.
From the pride, he came to humility. And when he went out of his house, he went with asking for the right. but he came back with willingly to
Yes.
serve his father as a servant, not as a son. So
Okay. Okay, that's a good participation, and thank you all for participating. Actually, you know what? It's easy to, what is easy to find and difficult to forget in a person. It's the mistake of that person, and what is difficult to find and easy to forget in a person is a good deed. So when I said, let us find a good deed about the father, the good behavior, the points came in, because we are very easy to, who does good to us, and उनीहरूको त्यो अच्छाइलाई हामी खोज्नको लागि we get lot of points. लेकिन जिसने हमें दुख दिया है, जिसने हमें hurt किया है, somebody who has hurt us and somebody who is not a hero, who is a villain of the story, if I had told you, find the mistake, find the bad quality of the prodigal son, I think the list would go on and on. It would go till 2030. But when I asked a difficult question, that is, find the good points of the prodigal son, we were limited. We could not even touch 10 points. So this is what I want to share tonight, is about the forgiveness. When we think of a person who has hurt us, when we think of a person who has done wrong to us, we naturally tend to think about the bad qualities, bad thing that they have done to us. But everyone is created equally in the sight of the Lord. And if I ask God to give the good quality, he would balance. He would give 50 good points, 50 bad points, it's neutral. But for as a human being, when we think of a bad quality of a person, वो बढ़ा देता है, हमारे hatred को और ज़्यादा बढ़ा देता है. That is why people say it's so difficult to forgive and forget, because we only think what wrong he had done to me. It's quite a challenge. It's quite a challenge when we say we give a lot of sermon, was a lot of preaching and teaching about forgive and forget. We have to forgive 77 into so many times. We have to forgive people. But why it is difficult to forgive is because we measure it कि उसने मेरे साथ क्या बुरा किया था, rather than trying to find what are the good qualities in that person. So I think this is the first ever exercise for some of you, finding good quality of a prodigal son, but it is the seed of goodness. That is what I wanted to share tonight. One person, one repentant heart, when it comes, I will tell you the story. One lady, she had sinned, and she was in bad books. पुरा एकदम नराम्रो भएर चर्च छोडेर गएको थियो, and then that soul came back to our church. उसले रिपेन्ट गरेर हाम्रो चर्चमा आयो वापस. But then what we did was everybody started looking at her uncomfortably, and then and she was okay. She thought that my church will accept me. She thought that my church will accept me, so she happily, without any hesitance, वो चर्चमा आयो. And then when she went ahead to put the offering, भेटी चढाउन जब गयो, then there was gossip. भाइ उसले कसरी भेटी चढायो, भाइ उ कसरी कहाँ अगाडि आयो, and nobody talked. सबले भाइ तिमी आएछ राम्रो भएछ त भन्यो, but then there was a gossip. There was not a full, I think I got disconnected again.
No, you're okay.
Okay, but there was no full acceptance. बाहिरबाट हाँसेर एक्सेप्ट गर्यो, तर भित्र गसिप गर्यो, कसरी चर्चले अलाउ गर्यो उसलाई भेटिहाल्नु, कसरी उसले चर्चलाई यसो गर्यो. So that is where she failed. She knew it. I was not accepted in my church, and she left. We lost one soul because we could not accept. हामीले देखावा acceptance गर्यो, forgiveness, but we count the deeds, the bad deeds that a person had done, and we didn't see the good thing that she had done. She was a very hardworking lady. She was a very helpful person. पुरा कतिवटा प्रोग्राम्सहरुमा हेल्प गरेको थियो. One good acceptance, one good hug, one good मन से दिल से जो accept करते हैं ना, one good acceptance had been there, then she would have been with us. But then we accepted her only by Rama, and inside we did gossip. How could she come? How could she put the offering? Why was she not punished? And all that, and she heard about that and she left, and now we don't know where she is. So today I just want to share a small, I think I'm running out short of time. Small messages. Let us try to inculcate good seeds. among us and try to find the positiveness in the evils also. Thank you very much.
धन्यवाद, एकदमै प्र्याक्टिकल मेसेज।